77% of global revenue touched to an SAP system, and it all runs on a SAP ABAP. I am Prabal, I am your SAP mentor, and in this series, I am taking you from absolute foundation of ERP to the high level S4HANA development. If you are ready to build a world class career or you wanted to enhance your skill set to the next level, let us dive into the today's session. Have you ever wondered how a company like Amazon manages millions of orders or how a car manufacturing tracks every single nut and bolt? They don't use Excels, they use digital brains. Most people think SAP is just some software. By the end of this 15 minutes video, you will understand why it most powerful business tool on the planet and why the ABAP developers are some of the most highly paid professionals in tech. Let's dive in. The Foundation ERP SAP and why it matters is the introductory sessions that we have been started to get the overview and insight of the SAP system. Prior to proceed with the SAP details, we should have to be clear about what is the ERP. ERP is nothing but the powerful system designing to integrate and manage all the core business processes across an organization into a single and unified platform. Imagine a central nervous system of your business connecting every functionality seamlessly. To elaborate onto the same, we will take the example of restaurant. Without an ERP, the waiter takes an order. He walks to a kitchen, but they have run out of chicken. The accountant doesn't know the chicken is gone, so they keep paying for the aide to sell the chicken. The solution with an ERP, the moment a customer orders a chicken, the system checks the stock. If the stock is low, it automatically sends a message to supplier and updates the finance book as well. In technical term, an ERP is a centralized database. This means the data is entered once and it immediately available to every department. So no more duplicate data, no more I don't get that email excuses. It will reduce the errors. Real-time data flow. As it is a centralized database system utilized into the ERP, the real-time data flows across all the departments. So there is a reduce the silos between the departments. ERP system enables the instantaneous information exchange between the departments from finance and its human resource to the procurement and manufacturing. This ensures everyone is working with the most current data. Operational efficiency. By the automating the routine tasks and streamline the workflows, ERP significantly boosts the productivity and reduce the manual errors. Data accuracy and consistency. A single source of truth eliminates the discrepancies and leading to the more reliable reporting and analysis. Informed decision making. With the comprehensive real-time insight, the leader can make strategic decisions faster and with the great confidence, driving the business growth and the agility. What is the SAP? SAP is a global firm. SAP is founded into 1972 in Germany by the few ex-employees. It is a undisputed global leader into the enterprise resource planning, the software solution. With the nearly the 5 decades of the innovations, and SAP has the consistent shaped the landscape of the business technologies. The comprehensive ERP suites. SAP ERP offers the extensive suites of the application to designated to the support every critical business function across the diverse industries worldwide. For the small business to the multinational corporations, SAP provides the tools for the operational exchange. It has been more than 4 lakhs of customers over 180 countries rely on to the SAP solutions to drive their digital transformation initiatives. This vast customer base underscores the SAP's impact onto the global commerce and its commitment to the empowering the businesses. This is the history of the SAP, how the SAP has been evolved throughout its journey. The journey of the SAP is a testamental to continuous innovation and adaptations into the rapidly changed tech landscape. In 1972, the five visionary ex-IBM engineers founded the System Analysis Programming Developments, later it is called as the SAP in the Germany. The mission is to develop the standard software for the real-time data processing. In the first software what they have been created a single tier architecture onto the mainframe system. So every task will be performed by the single system. In 1979, SAP R2. Here is R stands for real and 2 stands for the two-tier architecture. The release of the SAP R2 marked as a significant milestone, providing a robust solution for the mainframe system, which became a staple for the large enterprise across the Europe. In the 1992, the SAP R3 system came into the picture. SAP R3 revolutionized the ERP market by the introducing the pioneer into the three-tier client-server architecture. These innovations brought the ERP as a wild audience and commended SAP as the global leadership. Now, in 2020, the transition to the SAP HANA system represents the largest innovation of a cloud-enabled in-memory platforms built from the digital economy, leveraging the advanced analytics and simplifying the business processes. The evolution is not ends; it is going on with the ERP, RAP programming and all. So we are delved deep into the further sessions. We are delved deep into the development of this HANA-based RAP programming as well. How this three-tier architecture works. The three-tier architecture is a fundamental concept in the SAP, providing a robust, scalable, and flexible framework for the enterprise applications. These separations of the concern ensures the efficiency, resources utilizations, and enhance the SAP system stability. Presentation layer is usually involved into the end user access user interface tier, where the users are interacted with the SAP system. It includes SAP GUI from the desktop application and web client from the browser-based applications. Now in this era of SAP HANA, the Fury has came into the picture, and from the Fury launchpad also we can access the SAP system. The application layer. This is the heart of SAP system. This layer it processes all the business logics, runs on ABAP program, and manages the communication between the presentation and the database layer. Database layer. The foundation of the architecture is this layer is responsible for the storing all the enterprise data. It comprises a centralized database such as SAP HANA, Oracle, or SQL Server, ensuring the data integrity and highly availability. This architectural design is critical for the achieving the optimal performance, high availability, and the simplified maintenance in the complex enterprises environment. It allows the components to be scaled independently and adapting to the varying the workloads. Key features of the SAP ABAP. ABAP is the cornerstone of the SAP flexibility. The SAP is a proprietary fourth generation programming language. It empowers the developers to tailor SAP system to the specific business needs. Below are the few features of the SAP ABAP language. It is a proprietary language. ABAP is a unique to the SAP and designed to specially for the developing and enhancing the SAP application. Its syntax and structures are optimized for the business processes. Programming paradigm. The ABAP supports both the procedural programming, that is structured code for the sequential tasks, and object-oriented programming, that is entity-based relationship, to encapsulating the data and methods. Allow for the flexible and modern development approaches. Few are the other and integrated workbench. The ABAP is deeply integrated with the SAP workbench tools like SAP ABAP editors and code for the coding, the data dictionary for managing the data definitions, and the screen painters for designing the user interfaces and providing the comprehensive development environment. So it is an integrated workbench that has been provided by the SAP to fulfill all the requirements of the business needs. The role of ABAP in SAP. The ABAP is more than just programming language. It is a fundamental enabling of the customer and extending the vast capabilities of the SAP ERP, ensuring that every business can adapt the system to the unique operational demand. Customization backbone. ABAP server serves as a primary tool for tailoring the standard SAP functionalities. This includes the modification of existing reports, developing entities, new applications, and implementing specific business rules that are not converted by the out-of-the-box system. The process automation. From the interactive dialog programming that guides the SAP user inputs to the efficient batch processing from the large-scale data operations. ABAP empower the automation of the drives the business processes and boost the efficiency and the data consistency. Data management through the OpenSQL and ABAP facility robust data retrieval and manipulations and providing the standardized interfaces to the various database systems while abstracting the underlying database specifies. This ensures the data independency. The cloud ready and development. ABAP has evolved to support the modern development paradigm. The SAP ABAP RESTful ABAP programming model enables the developers to build the cloud native ODatabase to services and Fury applications and ready for the digital age. ABAP development environment and tools. ABAP Workbench. This integrated development environment IDE is the central hub for ABAP developers, providing the comprehensive tool for the writing, debugging, testing, managing the ABAP code within the SAP system. Eclipse-based ADT. This is a new era development. They have been started. The ABAP development tool ADT for the Eclipse offers a modern and enhanced development experience with the advanced features like intelligence code competition, real-time syntax checking, and powerful debugging capabilities. Significantly improves the productivity. The repository information system centrally manages all the development objects, ensuring the consistency and version control. Integrated transport system. Integrated transport system facilitates the seamless movement of the development across the different SAP landscape, that is the development, quality, and production. Conclusion. Why ABAP matters today. Despite the emerging of the new technologies, ABAP maintain its pivotal role into the SAP landscape, driving the customizations and innovation for the countless enterprises globally. It remains a strategic asset for the business seeking to maximize their SAP investments. Customization schemes. ABAP continue to be indispensable for the deep customizations of the SAP ERP, allowing the business to adapt their standard software to their unique and complex processes. Empowering the business by enabling the business to tailor the SAP to their specific needs. ABAP empower them to respond rapidly to make the changes and maintain the competitive edge. Evolving the cloud with the ABAP cloud and the integrated to the SAP S4 HANA. The language is evolving to the support agile, scalable, and cloud native solutions, providing its capability to the future demand. Career opportunity. Proficiency in the ABAP unlock the significant career opportunity within the one of the world's largest and most enduring enterprise software ecosystem. Thank you very much.